Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see skills for providing general care to surgical patients. In surgical care, we can divide them into three types. First is the pre-operative, second is operative, and third is the post-operative care. So all these cares requires measurement of some vital signs such as the blood pressure, temperature, respiratory count, and the pulse rate. So we are going to see how to calculate each one. In post-operative care, the patient is recovering from the anesthesia of the surgery and is shifted from surgical ward to the general ward. Guidelines of post-operative care includes all the principles of standard precaution must be taken care, and we should check all the vital signs. First, pre-operative checking of vital signs include pulse rate checking and respiratory rate checking for 1 minute each. So we will look at it. First, we will check the pulse rate for 1 minute. And report the pulse in the register. We will wait for 1 minute and then again check the pulse rate to remove any error. After 1 minute, we will again check the pulse rate. Pulse rate usually ranges from 60 to 100, so we will look it for the patient. Okay, the pulse rate for the first time was 72 and then again it came about 74. So we can take the average of that is the 73. That's all. If pulse rate is normal, then we should record the pulse rate every 4 hours in 24 hours and give it to the head nurse, and check the level of consciousness in the patient, like drowsiness, is anything there or not. Sometimes ask the patient that do you feel any pain?
Sometimes.
Okay, if the patient is feeling pain sometimes, call the head nurse that the patient is feeling the pain. Another post-operative care for the patient is change the position of the patient every 2 hours so that patient may not feel any type of pain in one particular area. So we will do for this patient. Turn the patient's head from the one side to the another side if the patient feels any kind of vomiting is there. So you may help the patient. Another post-operative care include taking the blood pressure. So we will take the blood pressure of the patient. And remember that you keep the cuff of the machine 2 centimeter above from the elbow. We will start checking blood pressure through digital equipment. Okay, the blood pressure is 128 by 80, so we will record it in the report. Now wait for 2 minutes and then we will again check the blood pressure to remove any kind of error in the report. After 2 minutes of interval, take the blood pressure again. Wait for the result. This time the blood pressure is 112 by 74. So we will take average of both and write it in the report. Checking of the body temperature. I am using digital thermometer and will check the body temperature of the patient. I am using it from the armpit. Wait for the 1 minute so the reading may occur. After 1 minute, we will check the body temperature. Remove the thermometer and look at the temperature. Okay, it is 97 degree Fahrenheit. 1. After interval of few minutes, we will again check the body temperature to remove any error in the report. We will wait for 1 minute so the reading may occur in the thermometer. Take the thermometer out. Write the reading in the report. Another important vital sign is respiratory count. So we will look at the patient and the rise and fall of the chest of the patient and count the reading for 1 minute. Normal respiratory rate is 16 to 20 beats per minute. So we'll look at the patient. Okay, it is 16 beats per minute. Do you feel any coughing problem is there?
No.
Okay, and also, do you feel in difficulty in breathing?
No.
Okay. After reporting all the vital signs, take the report and give it to the head nurse. That's all for this video. Thank you.